Look. Yeah, seriously.
I have rockets, so I'm not afraid to use them.
Jhonny, let's stop laughing.
Shut up, let's go.
Alright, go. There you go. The sound effect. Okay, hold on. Alright, I'm ready.
Hey, Clutch, look.
Oh, okay. Oh my god! We died. Hey, I'm ready now. We don't have to wait for anyone. I'm ready. Hey guys, RFC Clutch here.
And Jhonny 3 Tears.
I'm STRANGEBLOKE.
Alright, we have our first IncredibleForging contest. This contest consists of whoever can make the best minigame there is. Alright? Now, minigame is something that you usually wouldn't play in matchmaking or a detection game. Minigames like a racetrack or, well, this map. It's the King of the Hill Team Slayer map. But it's not what you think. The one team spawns up here, and they try to shoot you with fruit shots and rockets. Now, the other team spawns down here, trying to get, kill time while throwing gravelers on these blocks and flying into the sky.
Now, as you see, right now, there's no, hill. That's because when you put on King of the Hill, when you fly up, the hill will be up there. You have to stay up there as long as... Ah!
Okay, so, the winner... Alright, just, cut that out when I start laughing, and then now start this again. When you...
Ow!
Okay, ready? No! Get up here, and so I can do this. Okay. Oh, please! Alright. Alright, ready? Alright, the winner gets a free 1 month generously donated by Jhonny 3 Tears to the right of me. Alright? So, the contest starts now, and it ends June 15th. The game tags will be in the description to who you will send your maps to. Good luck, and goodbye.
Love you.
Love you all. Guys, dude, can we stop freaking playing around?
You need to turn notifications off.
I need random grenades. Oh, I can't spawn it. Wait. Good.
You guys want to do each other?